In this video, we want to take a look at the US dollar against the South African rand. It's actually a very interesting technical trade now. Earlier this month in September, we saw the 100-day moving average tested, and the US dollar perfectly bounced higher from that level. Even the next day, the 50-day moving average, which is this yellow line here, was perfectly tested, and then the US dollar moved higher. So we've had an upturn here during the month of September after some key moving averages were tested. We want to turn our attention, though, over to the weekly chart here. Earlier today, we tested this very important 10 spot 91.35 area. That is this white line here. We can see that corresponds to today's intraday low. This is actually a very, very technically significant level. We have to scroll back on our weekly chart all the way to 2001, when the US dollar moved sharply higher against the South African rand after the terror attacks in the US on 9/11. We actually got up to a high level above 12. And once we draw the retracement lines from that relative high all the way down to the relative low in 2006, the 76.4% retracement level comes in right at today's intraday low. So clearly the markets have this in mind. We bounced off higher from that level earlier in today's session. Finally, on our monthly charts here, we can see that we are above this long-term blue up trend line. We're going to take a look at some levels where we might expect the dollar rand to trade in the coming weeks. We're looking at 10 spot 96.19 on the upside. And to the downside, we're looking for a possible test of the 10 spot 83. So let's keep our eyes open for the dollar rand trade. Thank you.